Let me show you how to install throttle on your OneSport OT05 electrical bicycle. So by default, when you get this bike, as you see, we actually do not have a throttle installed on this bike for legal reasons. However, what's absolutely cool, inside the box, however, they do include a throttle for this bike that you can install if you want. And also inside the box you'll find this small grip adapter that you basically have to change over, basically from the old one to this new one. Also, if you are looking to get this bike, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can follow and get it for the cheapest price possible. Also, I managed to get extra €100 coupon that you can use on the OneSport official website to take extra €100 off. So simply first follow that link and there's a UV05 coupon for extra €100 off. Also, if you follow those links, you'll also receive a bunch of free accessories as well with the bike. And first, to be able to install the throttle, we first have to undo the shifter and also the brake. So we have to actually move them slightly up, so we need actually a bit more space over here. So you see you have 1 and 2 bolts here and also another screw here that you want to undo. And once released, as you see, we can take both of these and move them a bit further. And next we need to remove this handlebar grip. So if you want to remove it, you will realize it's mega hard to actually remove it. So what I suggest to take is maybe a bit of soapy water and we can actually spray underneath here, under it, to release it better. And I suggest to simply tilt your bike like this. So basically we can spray underneath here and basically it flows under. Needs a grip. So simply wait maybe like a minute till it's essentially soaks underneath there, and then simply basically get some leverage, try to grip it and simply twist it off. It's mega hard to actually twist it off. You see it comes. Okay, so you see and it's off. And on your throttle, as you see, you have 1 bolt here that can be used to fasten it to the handlebar grip. So position it just like this and simply slide it on. Also inside the box you'll find such adapter as well that you want to slide here. So just like this. So it kind of goes inside here and essentially creates a small gap. Then we need to take our short handlebar, so again it's included inside the box, and simply push it on. So to the maximum you can. Okay, you see. Now you simply need to fasten it. So just like this. So you see you have the bolt here. So simply first adjust these to the correct position, all of them, and simply let's fasten it. Okay, so it's nice and tight. And then don't forget to fasten these properly back. And on front of the bike you'll find actually 1 spare connector here. So this is actually where we can connect our throttle to. First we simply need to remove this cover for it. So it's the orange. And you will see there is kind of small arrow here. So simply also find the arrow on this one and simply let's plug both of them together. So you see, it simply snaps together like this. And as soon as you turn on your bike, your throttle will work. So there's no additional setup. So you'll see if I lift up my bike a bit and basically twist it, basically the bike spins up and starts to drive up to 25 kilometers per hour. So you see, like a twist and go. You simply twist it a bit, depending on how fast and how much gas you want to give it. And yeah, overall the new OneSport OT05 is absolutely amazing. not only we get very decent motor on this e-bike, also obviously we can install a throttle, which is also very decent on this bike. We get massive integrated battery, and if you look at the overall look of the bike, I think it really looks absolutely amazing. So very high end. Also build quality looks like, yeah, top notch, especially for this price. I think this is totally unbeatable. And again, if you want to also get one, simply make sure to check out those special discount links. If you follow them, you not only you will receive a bunch of free accessories with the bike through those links, but also, yeah, you're gonna get extra 100 euros off. So simply first check out that link. It will lead you directly to the OneSport official website, and in the checkout in the website simply enter the coupon UV05. That will take additional 100 euros off. Okay, good luck.